What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Commentary for you. I had talked about it in the last video. A lot of things here green in terms of recovering in the marketplace. But one of the things I talked about where we were struggling was Cladera. It's a free share that we got from Weeble. You guys know I'm a preferred influencer. Use the link down in the description. You get a free stock. I get a free stock just for you signing up. And obviously Gladstone Land. Those were the only two we're really down. Gladstone I can deal with, again, when we were buying it, we talked about the need for fruits, vegetables, all those things. So I know that it's going to be stable, if nothing else. Not really a position where it's down enough I want to add to it, but you have to look at where we are in the market. And I bring up my Robinhood portfolio. I don't show this all that often now, but you can see just 1 month here, right? We kind of entered in the mid, dropped way down, about $2,000, and then now you can see we're steadily pulling back up. The objective here is to buy and hold long term, right? I don't want to buy right now at what is really market highs. Okay, a lot of stocks are at their high point, higher than they were before, back when we faced the initial crash back in March. So it's imperative that I'm not investing in buying right now. In fact, part of me wants to do the opposite, which is why it's important we talk about Cladera, because I talked about before we had gotten so many shares of it, the concept was I was going to hold 4 of them. But we've seen now over the past month or so, the performance really isn't there. It doesn't pay us a dividend. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to cut some losses here, and I'm going to sell out at 1076, but only 2. We're still going to have 2 shares left. Now, we sold this like mid-12s. We sold it when we first got it, right around this price point. We followed it up. We sold it. I'd love to see it get back to that point. I really would. But looking at the chart, this right here, this 1076, is about a month high for it. So I don't know that it's going to get back to that point. So we're going to take those 2 shares, right? We're going to have around $20. We've got another share of Plantronics coming in, which hopefully we'll be able to sell kind of in the same $10 range. But I just want to say, might not see a video for a little bit because I'm planning on holding. I need at least a 5% down day, minimum. I need a 5% down day. I'd like to have a combination of maybe a down 2, a down 3, a down 4, where we can start to talk about getting back into price evaluations that I'm comfortable buying at. Right? It's not a continual race to the top. The same reason these stocks fell, the same reason they go up. You just have to learn to time the market a little bit. And I think having that $30 in our pocket, literally $30 in our pocket, is going to be very useful when we have stocks start to pull back and we can reinvest in them. Not going to buy one today for $14 when I can buy it maybe in 3 months for $12 and only miss out on maybe, 25 cents of dividend payments. It doesn't work out mathematically. Love to know your guys' thoughts on this and where you are in the market, what you're doing right now in the market. Appreciate you checking out, and I will be back in the week with more commentary.